Gonna be a hot one today. We gotta take all this rope off this machine. Well, not all of it, just one spool. Normally we do all of them, but this one we're not. Got 10,000 feet of 5/8 rope on it, on one spool now. So we done got that one off. We fixing to put that one on. We're gonna put that one on. Say hi to everybody, Chuck. Hot, ain't it? Is it hot? And this old Tyler over here, we call him Mr. Sleepyhead. But he gonna be out there running it today. He'll enjoy it. It's gonna be a little warm, but it ain't too bad. We gotta run it till we get to a splice in it, and we're gonna take it out, fix it, put a new eye back on it. So here we go. We're running. Old Tyler, I had to give him a spool to stand on. He's a little short, but I couldn't see it either, so what we do, we run it through here for tension, and we pay it off right there. Now normally what we do is once we get one off, you take the rope off of this one, run it through a block right here, we'll pin it up, and then we run it on that one to flip them. But this customer don't want these flipped. He needs to flip them, but he just wanted this one done. I had to talk him into this one because that rope is wide on top and the sun has gotten on it. So we're gonna put it down on the bottom because they never use that bottom section. So yeah, it's a little challenging. Easy job, hot, but it is what it is. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all what we doing today. We do all kinds of different things, and you just never know from one day to the next. Well, he about to get done with it. Look at that fella there in that hat. Look like he's going fishing or something, don't he? It's coming on down. It takes about an hour to do this, each spool, not counting the splicing and the setting up and all that stuff.